In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable Gemini Google Assistant launch by long pressing your power button or home button. So if you are encountering a challenge or a problem whereby each and every time you long press your power button or accidentally long press your home button, then you're not alone. This is an issue that many people are facing. I'll show you how you can disable this. As you can see, I've just long pressed this home button and it launched Gemini. And also if I go ahead and long press on power button here, and the same will happen, it will launch Google Assistant. Let me show you how you can disable these functions. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so first, to disable this function on our button, go ahead and look for settings, and keep in mind this will not affect the use of Gemini app. So each and every time you want to use Gemini, you will not launch it using the shortcuts, but you just have to go to the app. So if you go to settings, to disable this on power button, scroll down until you see the additional settings option, and under additional settings, go to gesture shortcuts. Under gesture shortcuts, go to launch Google Assistant. You can see here we have this option. We are told press and hold the power button for 0.5 seconds to launch Google Assistant, and this option is currently turned on, meaning each and every time I long press power button, it will launch Google Assistant. To turn it off, go ahead and toggle this off, and this will disable this function. Now if I go ahead and try to long press on power button, it will not launch Google Assistant. Now the next one we want to disable for home button. You can see, in as much as power button can't launch Google Assistant, the home button still has this ability. To disable this on home button, again go to settings, and this time around look for the option called home screen. Now under home screen, go to system navigation, and under this you can see system navigation buttons. Tap on it and scroll down here, and you should see button shortcuts. If you tap on it, we have button shortcuts for various functions, and on top of the list is long press the home button to launch Google Assistant. You can see it is currently on. To turn it off, go ahead and choose none here, and that will disable automatic launch of Google Assistant by long pressing home button. So let me go ahead and try long pressing the home button and see if this will launch Google Assistant. And now look at that. However much I long press on it, it won't launch Google Assistant. Alternatively, you can also go to settings, and instead of going through the process, just search for Google Assistant, and you can see we have this option, launch Google Assistant. It is currently turned off. Make sure it is so. So that's how you can disable Gemini Google Assistant launch on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.